Good evening. Very frequently, we come across with the words like national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biodiversity, wildlife. Like this, we come across with various words. And in this session, we are going to discuss regarding national parks. If you look at India, we have more than 100 national parks, and these national parks are spread across various states in India. And the most beautiful thing is that in every state you got at least one national park. And out of this one, the highest number of national parks are present in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has got nine national parks, followed by Assam. Earlier, Assam had got five national parks, and two have been added in the recent past, taking the tally to seven. So, Madhya Pradesh is at number one position with nine national parks, followed by Assam with seven national parks. But I would like to tell you one more thing. We have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Even in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we got nine national parks. But Andaman and Nicobar is a union territory. But we are discussing about the states here. With respect to states, the highest number is present in Madhya Pradesh, followed by Assam. Assam is 7, Madhya Pradesh is 9. But at the same time, please remember, in Andaman and Nicobar also we got 9 national parks. Fine. So now we will be discussing more about this, and I would like to tell you, so what exactly is the meaning of national parks? Look at this. So whenever I say national park, this is an area. National park is an area which is strictly reserved. Reserved for what? Reserved for the betterment of the wildlife and biodiversity, where activities like developmental, forestry, poaching, hunting, and even grazing on cultivation are not permitted. Even grazing is also not permitted. And who will declare an area as a national park? That is decided by the government, and the government will declare an area as a national park with adequate ecological, geomorphological, and natural significance. And as far as these parks are concerned, the private ownership rights are not allowed. And the boundaries are well marked and circumscribed. Basically, they are, the small reserve spreading in an area of 100 square kilometers to 500 square kilometers. This is a national park, right? And another important thing, in national parks, the emphasis is on the preservation of a single floral or fauna species, and there is at least one national park in each state, and it will display vivid flora and fauna of the region. All the points are important, so kindly have a look at this very closely. So now we understood that in Madhya Pradesh we got the highest number, that is 9 national parks. What is a national park and how it will be, this is designated, who designates, all these things we have understood. Now from here we'll be going ahead, and kindly remember we got 7 national parks in Assam. In the earlier class, while we are discussing about national parks in Assam, we said 6, but please, we are updating, we are making a correction here. The number is 7, right? And if you look at Assam, the 2 new national parks are Dihing Patkai and Raimona. Assam has already got 5 national parks, and you know the name of this. With this 2 national parks adding to the existing 5 national parks in Assam, it became the second state in the country to have the highest number of national parks after Madhya Pradesh. As I told you just now, in Madhya Pradesh we got 9 national parks. Now it is followed by Assam with 7 national parks. Very important one. And if you look at this, Raimona and Dihing Patkai, they have been formally notified, adding to Assam's total tally of 7 national parks. And these 2 national parks will help to boost conservation efforts and provide a fillip to tourism and also agriculture sectors. Important one, right? And this particular point we have discussed in the earlier class. Please go through this one. Every point is important. Right? So this is about the national parks. Please remember each and every point, and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.